Good day. Today I'll be showing you guys how to add fractions without using the calculator. This method that I'm going to show you, it applies to all the grades. I know most will be like, no, at grade 10 to 12 level, mostly we're using calculator, so there's no need for us to know this. But remember, one day you can go to the exam room, maybe your calculator can pause or something. So some maths will require you to do without the calculator. So without wasting any time, I'm going to do some examples to show you the methods that you can use to solve fractions without the calculator. The most common ones that you can get, especially at a lower level, are those ones where they will have the same denominator. For example, let's say I've got 3 over 8 plus 2 over 8. So they all have the what we call the same denominator, which is 8. So whenever you've got an example like this, normally you just take one denominator, which is the same number, which will be 8. So just become 8 by itself. And then from there onwards, you go and add the numerators together. So it will be the two numerators together, which will be 3 plus 2, meaning your answer will be 5 over 8 as your answer. That's how you can solve this type of question. So just go and use the same denominator. Then from there onwards, you add the numerators. So it will be 5 over 8. Let's just try another one of similar denominator. Let's say now I've got 2 over 7. Or let's just use 5 now. Let's use 5 as our denominator. Plus, just say 4 over 5. So again, I've got the same denominator. So same thing again will apply. Same denominator just becomes 5 as your denominator. Then from there onwards, just go and add the numerators as they are. It will be 2 plus the other numerator, which will be 4. So 2 plus 4, that will give us a lovely 6. So meaning our answer will be 6 over 5. So now that's easier with when they give you the same denominator. So now, what do you think will happen now? Let's say now they give us a different denominator. That would be a different challenge altogether. For example, let's say now they give us 2 over 3 plus, just say 4 over 5, for example. Yeah. So now you see, now we don't have the same denominator like we did in the first two examples. So now how do we solve this? There's a method which is quicker to use there. So the most important thing here is you take each denominator as it is. Remember, if we were to multiply the two denominators together, they're going to give us a number, which I know if we were to multiply 3 times 5, that would be 15. So the method to solve this is that you take the denominator that you have here, and then it goes and multiply everything on the right. For example, it will be the 3 that we have here. It will multiply 4 and also multiply 5. So in other words, it will be like this. So it will be 4. So it will be 3 times 4 over 3 times 5. So that 3 that you have here, it will go and multiply everything on the right here. So it will be 3 times 4 and also 3 times 5. Then you add, again, same thing applies. The other denominator will go and multiply everything on the left, meaning 5 will go and multiply 2 over 3. So it will be 5 times 2 over, again, 5 times 3. So whatever you do on the right, you must also do on the left, meaning now they're going to end up having the same, what we call the same common denominator. So meaning from this side, it will be 3 times 12, 3 times 4, sorry, that will be 12. I know I'm speaking the answer ahead. 3 times 4 will be 12, and then 3 times 5, that will be 15. And then you add 5 times 2, that will be 10. 5 times 3, that will be 15. So now, remember, we've got the same denominator, which is the common one. So now it becomes easy. Once you've got the same denominator, you make one denominator. So meaning now we just go and add the numerators. So it will be 12 plus 10. So it will be 12 plus 10, same as we did before, 12 plus 10, meaning our answer will be 12 plus 10, that will be 22, yeah, 22 over 15 as our answer, which will be an improper fraction. something else for something else. Yeah, that will be how you solve it. So let's just do one more example to ensure that you guys get used to the method. Let's just say now f3 over 4 plus 2 over 8. Yeah, 2 over 8 now. 2 over, yeah, let's say use number 2 over 3. I don't use big numbers, 2 over 3. So again, the same concept applies. The denominator that you have here will multiply everything on the left, right? So this 4 that we have as our denominator, it will go on and multiply the 2 over the 4 again would multiply your 3, né? Which is the that denominator which is if you are having here. So they multiply this 3 which you are having here, and plus same concept again. The 3 which you are having, it will go and multiply everything on the left. So it will be 3 times 3 times 3 over 3 times 4, né? Yeah, 3 times 4, which is that bottom number there. So now we've got all the numbers as perfect. So just need to go and multiply 4 times 2, that will give us an 8 over 4 times 3, that will give us a 12, right? Plus 3 times 3, that will give us a 9. 3 times 4, that will give us a 12. So now again, remember, we've got the same denominator. So it just becomes 1, which just becomes 12. And then what is 8 plus 9? 8 plus 9 will be 17. 17. So again, we get a proper fraction, which will be 17 over 12 as your answer. That's how you add fractions without using the calculator. And I hope this was useful to all the grades. And if it was, please comment on the comment section. If you've got other examples which you want us to try, I'm open to any suggestion. And again, please subscribe, and you can share as much as you can. And yeah, thank you very much.